Welcome to the Educational Camp Come Counseling Session by Enviro Skills Academy, providing 100% international placement. We are offering scholarship to students getting on the spot registration. So please join us on the 8th and 9th of May 2024.
Kaway nag-Islam ay jing nang start kabala paubahan na Riboy District ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo kalayo ban wan ra biang ya kadnam mat kaburam ha ka district da ka jingla ban say ki khana puli ki wan bhasha khaman haki examen bapher la ka de ha ka examen SSLC ne ha ka HSSLC Hakani ka kenti ka bamanta kani ka school kalayo ban khur biang ya kadnam mat kaburam ha ka bakla say biang sawoi samla puli jongka ubla tip kerteng kum Jagjot Singh nagasnong pahams im ubri khun jong kong IT Doramen tudu ha ka bawla la ban poisa ka kerdan ka bishpau na ki ba khmat e jong ka result HSSLC Commerce Stream jong Meghalaya Board of School Education ka bla penbana ha ka step jong ka pratre ku jembang arjar pusau Nakaliang ginong penyat bat ginong hikai jong ke skul gila pun ko buram yau tu samla puli Jagjot Singh hapan yang kejingkman lang bat barok ki khana bat ki samla puli.
Okay, I will check. Thank you so much.
When it comes to studying, you can just study like 1 to 2 hours per day. Take it easy. If you feel ever pressured, sometimes you tend to feel pressured, you can just take it easy. You can talk to your friends and basically just take it easy and work as much hard as you can. Bring honor to your school. My teachers and my parents, they inspired me to reach this level. They helped me a lot during my exam, supporting me, guiding me, and it's because of them that I reached in top 10 of HSLC 2024. All the students, I would like to say just one thing, is that work hard, grow, and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha school. My next step would be to pursue BMS from a reputed college so that I can become a businessman, and that's what I'm hoping for.
Lakshman Shipun, kung kami ba busy ba ya ka kam na jom, nga siya i-kun claim in your lat ban like tuition ro, ba de nakada ba Nimlakan manage the timing jonga. Tang mga so commercial pun nomor is teachers boro ila support yi. Antam ya bajing minot jong iru. Dai lala ban ko ya kena gatko.
Kalau keburam bat jing so sabang ini niwe kena uyo common stream 10th position Jagjot Singh nong tudu. Ho masih mau ni kena bat hitam hi na duk dang it join kelas school ni na duk kelas 2. Betul hitam kena kita sini bat kiba culek bahaya ke boleh jongki. Oh bat ni so penat ni ai ke buram cu boleh kong ikinong hikai kiba day ke common stream bat tunjuk ikimi ba kesyan berba ya kum bahaya kiba lak ban perpoi u syakna ke buram. Baru oi ke dia cerita hitam jong hiru ka ba ulak ban ai buram ke school ya hingga dia ikan kesat dah ka buram hingga so baru kino hikai ki school baru hikai ke ju ne kan don hikai jing bentar ba kino hikai ki le ki kena school ndai ho ni persyang men ka we kalau ni comeback thom ki kena se ta ke kasi comeback thom ki kam wa ki ni shem ban la ki don kecil telur ni persiang ban yarap iki ban ho kewe lomba kayarap ya ki hibun ada ni la ban kam ipor iki haskul batunjuk ni ya don kecil dei baki kimi ki pa ban ha ni bagi don ki kena ki don jerman ki balak ban wan chakmat ni ong kimi ki pa baki pet na yeng nang ba kun ki wan chakmat ki pa subha ni don ni saya kerja financial general token hisin ai kapor milik full station school bala ya di kelas 12 makin lek cebah di cibon dengan lahi nomor kena kibon dari ni pensulur but ni ai kerja financial assistance one time
daduk bangadan ni hari boy nimpat du hisin ru ban yo ya ka top 10 nakading hakang HS SLC dan SSLC. Kami yo bet kawai ke sekolah ke bapeni akan ke top 10 ke dia kami apa Alpha English Secondary School. But nanti semua sebun lagi nong kami aja kami ke sekolah principal bet kiwai kiba ya dan benta beran ya kami ke sekolah kabara ya kaburam jong ka lipoy hipura kawai paman Islam bisa juga kiba yo position na kami ke sekolah. Tingit skam magajing tristom yung principal inumikay ikna at kajing tristom yung ka managing committee kapanlong yung kami ka school banang team sa kanang na kaway ka sinem watak deng sipun yung jing but ka percentage yung ka jing pass haribhoy mataw sinem nakalyang yung ka science stream niyo 79.29 but ang kanyang yung commerce stream niyo 79.17 then so ba na ka district ka basa diin tam ko meklaya aspirational district ring layo 79.17 but 79.29 so ka penidak ka jingkiw yung ka education wa riboy de ngasuban ay kuplay ru tang ya kan ito school ray kiway pat school waday kimpoy ka top 10 ringit scam kilian le stom kapala panpas ikikna ban contribute ya kanika percentage of pass ka riboy tang ay kuplay ki ban kit bab kit yang iki way sunem India kini lang ya kanika top 10 ke top 20 but kiway kedan but ilang piu cejrong sakmat kat nami ikut disembang ai kublai terpang yo na jong ka Alpha Secondary ubala ra ya kuburam jong ka school bara ya kuburam jong ka yang kesem but ra ru ya kuburam jong ka district kam gini ko puar ka ba ngadan ini masuk komen pun but nga ay kijung kuku perdo ya nang kiu sa dia sa plang but ru ya kuway pat kina di balaya pas lang hakan ni exam bangta